Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and today I have spreads. Spreads are these unique creations I have made throughout my life for replacing mayonnaise and butter for more flavorful and healthy spreads.
Let's start with our delicious tapenade spread.
Ricotta tapenade.
It's got ricotta cheese, Greek yogurt, SunDried tomatoes, and sliced black olives. Mix them, and that's it. You can use it with toast, you can use it for sandwiches, wraps,
savory pancakes, and tortillas. Serve it with a whole grain English muffin and some spinach, and enjoy this amazing taste. Check it out, it's beautiful.
Our avocado spread is really easy to make. It's like a no vegetable avocado. It's basically avocados, lime, cilantro, that's it. If you want it to keep for 2 or 3 days without going brown, just don't throw the pit away and put it in the middle of your avocado spread. That's it. Sun-dried tomato spread is delicious. All you have to do is process your sun-dried tomatoes, add it to some delicious Greek yogurt, and just 1 sprig of rosemary, a little bit of pepper, and voila!
An amazing spread, delicious any day.
Our pesto spread, and this is an amazing way to make delicious pesto. All we have to do is use 3 concentrated pesto cubes, which is nothing more than basil that has been processed with very little oil, no pine nuts, and no parmesan. Freeze it and add a couple of cubes to your Greek yogurt. So voila, amazing and delicious spreads.
Add it to pasta off the heat for a high protein pesto pasta. Perfect, this is delicious. Oregano Chipotle spread, our favorite for sandwiches. So here we have a half a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and a teaspoon of ground chipotles that I grind for my month. You know, chipotle peppers are nothing but jalapeno peppers that have been ripened and dried. Now our favorite ingredient here, oregano leaves, and these have been washed, and I had them in my refrigerator home drying. Just mix and enjoy this fabulous recipe. You can use it for spreads, but also for chicken wings. It is amazing. You can also add it to wraps and just dip in vegetables and give them some spice, some hype, so that everyone at home is going to want to eat it. Remember, with Chef Pachi, delicious food, amazing mood. I hope you enjoy this amazing spread and make it now, today. This is divine. Spreads where I can use as much as I want and enjoy all of the food happy. They are easy, fast, delicious, and healthy. My 4 magical words in cooking delicious food for sustainable mood.